Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to legally file your LLC, Sunbiz LLC formation tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in Sunbiz. So what you want to do is go into sunbiz.org on your browser right here, and then you would be prompted into this website. So this is where we would want to start. So before we get into filing our LLC, you need to make sure first that your LLC name is not the same as anyone else's. So to make sure that you don't have anyone or you don't have a duplicate, you can click here on search records, and from here type on or click here on name. And from here, you basically just need to type the name of your LLC. So for example, you have innovative company, maybe something like this is your entity name or your LLC name. You can even put LLC just like that. Click on search now, and then you would have the results right here. So from here, you can see if anyone already has the name that you have right here. And then you can see the status right here. You have active, inactive, and so on. So in order for you to know the meaning of this status right here, we have this FAQ. So as you can see right here, if it's active or ACT, which means you can't use that name. If it's inactive or UA, you still can't use this name. You can only use that name that is listed there if it's inactive right here or inact. So yeah, those are your legends right here. So you want to make sure that you are using the name that is not right here or is inactive. So yeah, that is basically it. Now we're gonna go back into sunbiz.org right there. And then if you would like to check the processing dates, you can click here so that you would know when the filing would be done. And now let's proceed into filing our LLC. So click here on Start a Business, click on Limited Liability Company or LLC. And from here, you want to scroll all the way down first so that you'll be able to see the company fees or how much you will be paying for this. So you need $100 for articles of organization and $25 for registered agent designation. And for certified copy, if you want that, that will be $30, and certificate of status would be $5 if you want that. And then the next thing is you want to go scroll up now and click here on File or Correct Florida LLC. So in this one, we would want to file. So we're going to go here and click on this box once you have read and accept the terms of this disclaimer right here, and click here on Start New Filing. Once you click on that, you would be prompted into this form. So we would need to fill all of this up right here. So the first thing is the effective date right here. You can just write the date. And if you want to know what an effective date is, you can click here and then you may read it and understand it right here. So depending on your case. And then as you can see, the fee right here, $125, and the certificate of status and certified copy right here. If you would want that, here are your optionals right here, and then you have your name right here. And remember, when writing your LLC name, your name must end with Limited Liability Company, LLC, or LLC without the periods right here. Now you need to write your principal address right here, and then your mailing address. If it's the same as your principal address, then you can click on this button right here. And then the next thing is the name and address of registered agent. So in this one, in the registered agent section, is that you would need to type your name in the registered agent signature box. So if a business is serving as your registered agent, then an individual at that business should type their name here. And then the next thing is this one right here. This is just an optional one, which is the organizational mission, purpose, or statements right here. And then the next thing is the correspondence details. So this one right here. So in this one, you would need to type your name and personal email under the correspondence section. This is where the official communications will be sent. And then the next thing here in the electronic signature. So this is basically where you type your name in the electronic signature field under the authorized section. So, or the authorized representative section. So if someone else is authorized to sign and submit for you, then they should type their name here. Next thing is the manager information. So if you have any other person that you would like to be authorized to act on your behalf, this is where you would like to put their name and their information right here. So you can enter the name and addresses of each manager or authorized person. Repeat as needed for multiple managers or authorized person right here. And then the next thing is that is basically all of it actually, and all that's left is to review everything that you have input right here. Make sure nothing is wrong, because if something is wrong and you would need to change that later on, there would be an additional fee. So I suggest that you make sure everything is correct right here. Once you have made sure that everything is correct, you can now click here on continue button. And then after that, you'll be seeing a document tracking number and a fee for your filing. And then you can record this if necessary. And then after that, you would need to pay for it. So you would need to provide your credit card and billing details. And then after that, you would be able to process your payment. So after completing the payment, you will now receive an email confirmation with the status of your application. And after that, you can now save or print your confirmation for your records. And basically that is all. You have successfully filed your LLC in Florida using Sunbiz. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.